Welcome to another helpful how-to from Iron Lion Entries. This is Jamie Boyd, your e-commerce handler here at Iron Lion. In this video, we're going to take a look at a misalignment issue and how to correct it when installing one of our double door systems. The door we have the pleasure of working with today is a custom Slim-Lite 4-light with an eyebrow arch and an oversized kick panel. We're coming into this install with the jamb already set, but when setting your jamb, you'll want to keep in mind to first check your RO. You're mainly looking to make sure your jamb and sashes fit correctly inside the opening and they're not too tight on any side. Then you might want to take a look at your subfloor to make sure it's clear of any debris or obvious imperfections. After you've checked and cleaned your subfloor, snap a chalk line, or if available, use a laser level to ensure the proper alignment of the jamb within the opening. If your subfloor is not level, you're going to want to place shims where it's uneven to achieve a level plane. After the RO is shimmed, run flashing tape along the width of the opening and 6 inches up the sides to create a moisture barrier. This step is not necessary, but it is highly recommended. As I said before, we're coming into this install with the jamb already set and the sashes soon to be hung. The guys are soon to encounter the problem for us being here today, so let me just go ahead and stop talking so we can check out what's going on with this install.
This is the left door higher. Yeah. So there's some left doors higher. So you want to put shims in the bottom right side to bring it over like that. To bring your top of your left door down and bring it around.
From the explanation in the video, it is advised that to correct a pinch or a bind in your door sashes, you need to relieve the stress of one door by inserting shims in the transverse or opposite corner of whichever side appears to be causing your bind. Also remember to measure and test to make sure your adjustments are indeed correct and you have achieved proper operation of your door unit. This process can always be reversed or modified to fit the other side. Also, take your time. Once the door is installed and gussied up, it costs more money and time to go back and make adjustments you can make from here for just your time. Your goal here is to shift the orientation of the door sashes to relieve the unwanted pressure that is causing your doors to rub and bind. I hope this video gave you guys a little insight into fixing a pinch issue. Remember, this process can be modified to serve for the other side or a bottom pinch in the sashes. Also remember the main points. Source the cause of your pinch. Check your sides by measuring distances. Insert shims to you are within a range that relieves the stress, but not one to over push the unit in the opposite direction. Measure and check again. Your goal here is to shift the orientation of the door sashes to relieve unwanted pressure. That's what's causing your bind or your rub. Again, this is Jamie Boyd with Iron Lion Entries, wishing you the best and reminding you we're only ever a phone call away.